Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video on the Nober Motorsport channel. Today, I'm presenting a really cool accessory from the brand 3D Details. Just to give you a heads up, these accessories are not just for Audi A3s. There are also options for the Audi RS and various other models. Basically, any car with an RS grille can use this. The model I have here is a plate holder, or rather a delete plate, which is pretty cool. We also have this support available for some other car models. We have also options for the Volkswagen line, even for the cars that don't have this kind of grille. For example, in the Komiya case, we also have this support adapted for other cars, and their support is pretty awesome. I'm going to show you how to install it. It's a very simple, fast, and easy installation, and the final result looks great with this product. I must tell you, they make several excellent products all in 3D, and they don't just produce plate supports, they have loads of other cool products, including ones for Audi, for Golf. They even have an air vent there to place a pressure gauge, among many other things, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to install the product, and of course I'll show you the final result as well, okay? So let's get to the installation. Guys, I'm going to show you the product up close. One cool thing is that at events we can remove the car's license plate. So for example, what are we going to do? We latch the plate here and slide it to the other side, okay? I'm going to bring another plate because this one is from my own car. This one is a bit crooked, so it's going to be difficult to fit here on the holder. I would like to remind you that this plate holder supports both the Euro plate and the new European plate, as well as the old one. This one here is a plate I have as a model, so we can put it here. You can see that it is a little smaller, but this holder is already designed for the new and the old plates. So what you'll do is take it, place it here in the corner, push it, and fit it in just like that. One of the cool things when you want to take a photo of the car without the license plate is to also have the full grille on display. This is much more attractive for capturing a good car photo. And so on. What's extra cool is that we can remove the license plate in a simple, quick, and easy way and beautify the car too, for events among other things. So whoever is interested in supports and other accessories all made in 3D, shout out to the people at 3D Detail. This company has a lot of cool things to offer, plus you will also get a discount coupon. I'll leave the discount coupon code in the entire video here for you, along with the name, and I'll leave the website link in the description. That's it, guys.